Oh no! Are you sumo again? Are you a sumo wrestler, Andy?
I'm a werewolf.
You're a werewolf.
And you're a coyote.
I'm a coyote. Don't I always get the anvil dropped on me in the cartoons?
How's my voice?
It's getting serious now. You don't want to do that anymore?
No.
Okay.
I just want to play coyote
Is Amber going to be the Roadrunner?
No.
No, what's Amber going to be?
A giraffe.
A giraffe? Yes. Can you make a giraffe noise, Amber?
I don't know what noise giraffes make.
I want him to go. What's he going to be?
A farmer.
One of the farmers. Noise, nice. That's it.
Gotcha. I sniffed his hand. It's like, whoa.